Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel Annavakan's Creativity. So today in this video I am going to share with you all 10 lines on rainy season, which is also called the monsoon season in English. So friends, please watch this video till the end, and if you all like this video then don't forget to press the like button. First one, the rainy season comes after the summer season. Second one, it starts in June and ends in September. Third one, it is also called the monsoon season. The next one, that is the fourth one. In this season, the sky is full of dark clouds. Fifth one, rain makes the weather become cool. Sixth one, trees and plants look green and fresh. The next one, that is the seventh one, frog croak and birds sing happily. Eighth one, children play with paper boats in puddles. Ninth one, we carry umbrellas and wear raincoats. The last one, that is the 10th one, rainy season brings joy to everyone. So friends, if you all like this video, then don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends. So friends, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.